Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and today it is another lip swatching video. That's right. So Milani sent over their range of the new Keep It Full Plumping lip liners. So I've got the whole collection here. It is 6 shades and we're going to swatch these out. I'm going to have all the info on the screen about them. Pretty excited to give these a little swatch. Let's get into it. Also, let me know down below in the comments if there's any other collections you want to see swatched out, any little ranges within a brand, that kind of thing. You know, I love doing these videos. They're so much fun. I was already a fan of the original lip liners that Milani had. I have a couple of those floating around in my little lip liner thing over there. But yeah, they've come out with the new little range here. I'm going to have all the information on the screen because I can't remember off the top of my head and I don't have my phone on me to look it up, or the copy that they sent. So they did send the information. Well, we got 6 shades. They look like very nice neutral shades that are very like essential shades that one would need to go with a multitude of lipsticks. Yeah, these look really nice. They're decent length. I think these are sharpenable, which I prefer. Yeah, it feels like it's plastic, but a sharpenable lip liner. Let's try to get the lid off here. Oh, that's on there good. Yeah, these are sharpenable. I like that. So let's go ahead and just jump in here with our swatches. We're going to start with this one. We're going to lightest to darkest. We have got Go All Pout. Go All Pout. Cute. So fragrance coming off this. Maybe a little mintiness. They are from the Keep It Full range, so and they do say plumping. Oh, that's a good color. Look at that. That's a very nice, like, Pillow Talk-esque type of color. I'm going to fill in the lip with these just so we can get the full impact of them. Yeah, these feel like they are going to stay in place really well. They're creamy, but they feel like they dry down and like lock in. Very nice matte formula. Yeah, they feel like they're going to hold on good. I feel like there is a slight tingle happening. That might be in my head. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, that's a nice formulation. Feels really good. I do think there's a little bit of a tingle. There is. Yep, these do have a tingle. Wow, they actually are like plumping feeling. Interesting. I've never used a lip liner that had that feel to it. That is kind of crazy. What a pretty color. So this one is Go All Pout. But yeah, I think these are going to go great with the lip glosses, the Keep It Full glosses, as well as the Color Fetish lipsticks. These are going to be, they're a great complement to those. Yeah, okay. I feel the plumping. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this, love this color. So this is Go All Pout. No. So this is Go All Pout. Very nice. Yeah, these like have some staying power. They're not coming off super duper easy. They're not overly creamy. And I don't think these are replacing their other lip liners because this is definitely not going to be everyone's cup of tea with that plumping sensation. Alright, next up we have what appears to be a nice mauve. This is called Over the Top. Oh yeah. Kind of almost a raisin. Hint of warmth in there. These might be my new favorite lip liner formula. Yeah. That looks nice. That's a good color. That is a really good color. This is my first time like looking at these with you, so this is the first impressions. Yeah, that's my kind of shade. This is a lip liner shade that I tend to reach for a lot. I love it. I like the way that they look really good. They look very kind of blurring. Yeah, very flattering formula. But oh yeah, there is a tingle. There's definitely a tingle. I don't hate that. I like the tingly stuff though. I think it's kind of fun. And these are like on there pretty good. I think these are gonna have good longevity. Alright. Next up we have Twice as Spice, which looks like a nice neutral kind of beige color. Ugh. Ooh. That has a little more depth to it. Very contoured looking. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, I like this shade a lot too. This is Twice as Spice. Yep, that's a good shade. Really good, kind of a bit more of a contoured, lip contour type of color. It's gonna look good with so many different lipsticks. It's very almost cool, a little bit more neutral, and just gives that, yeah, that lip contoured look. That's a very useful shade. That's gonna look beautiful with like some of these more nudie lipsticks from Milani, as well as, again, the glosses. It's gonna look incredible. They have like a dry down to them that some of like the longer wear lip liners have, like the one from Revlon that I love. They have like, I think it's a Color Stay lip liner or something. Wonderful like wear time, but you get such a little product that I just burned through them, so I just it wasn't enough bang for the buck. But I love the formulation. This reminds me of that, with that kind of dry down. All right, next up we have got Hot Shots. So this one's getting a little bit deeper into the brownie side. These do like seal up pretty good. I have a feeling they might get dry if you didn't make sure the lid was on them really well. They glide on, but then they like dry down. Really cool. Yeah, that is a really nice warm, but not too deep brown. Again, a very useful shade. I think these are going to be very transfer resistant. Again, a good color. I love that. That is a useful shade as well. That is a really good brown. This is Hot Shot. It's not too warm. It's just kind of a lot of depth. Again, a very contoured type of lip color. I like that a lot. It doesn't come off too warm. That's one thing, like a lot of brown lip liners, they go with just a little bit too warm sometimes. This one I think has that right balance that is going to be able to be very versatile with a lot of different shades. Okay, that's a good color. Good color. 100%. Oh, and hell, toilet paper fluff. Good color. I should really buy some micellar water for these videos. Or some makeup wipes. Next up, we have got Hot Tamale. Now we're getting into some vampy colors. I'm excited about this one. All right, and here we have Hot Tamale. A really deep, cool tone burgundy type of color. It's gonna look wonderful with the vampy lips. This is a good one. Going for fall. Yep, good stuff with Hot Tamale. Now you can really see how hard they are to remove. Like, they're long wear. All right, and last one is Fire Sign. This is the deepest, looks like a deep, very deep brown. Oh yeah, that's like nearly black. Very cool. So the colors of these remind me a lot of the Color Fetish nude range that had come out originally in the Color Fetish line, like the original shade lineup. The shades of these remind me of that, but the formulation is the Keep It Full, more plumping formula. Like there is a burn and a little bit of sting, okay? These feel plumping. All right, and this one is Fire Sign, which is a almost black brown. Again, this is going to be very useful. If you love a vampy lip, deeper skin tones, Milani has got you covered there with the shades. So yeah, this one is Fire Sign. Kind of love it. Kind of love it. So I'm going to throw a gloss over this shade, and I think we're in business. I'm going to put this super deep, keep it full lip oil over top. This is the shade Black Cherry Vanilla. I love these. These are awesome. They are plumping. They are going to be a little bit spicy on the lips, but they are also super long wearing. So if you don't mind a little bit of spice, these are fabulous. The shade range is beautiful. It is something for every skin tone in here. Whatever type of lipstick you like to wear, there's a color for you. They're versatile. They are very staple, functional lip color, lip liners that are going to go with everything in the Milani lineup. That's for sure. They feel good on lip. They feel like they're going to wear all day. Yeah, and they're plumping, so that's cool. They have that little bit of a tingle. I like that. And they're easy to apply. They go on creamy and then they lock down. So that's really cool. I'm impressed, and I very much enjoy these. These are something new, something different for a lip liner, and I'm here for it. Thank you, Milani, for sending these over and give me the opportunity to swatch these because they're so good. I'm so happy. I was gonna get these, were actually on my shopping list already, so I'm just, thanks for sending that over. Very cool. Okay, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of a Plumping lip liner? And what other collections do you want to see me swatch out next? Go ahead and drop that in the comments section. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye now.